Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix file EFI Microsoft Boot BCD error. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer, click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type BCDEdit, find boot drive and Windows installed drive. In my CAE boot drive is EFI and Windows installed drive is C. Type // FixMBR. Type // FixBoot. If any error in this command, use following command: bootsec /NT60 SYS. Type disk part. Type list disk. Star under GPT indicates the system partition type is GPT or UEFI. Type list volume. Select your system volume. In my case, system volume is 2. Type assign space, letter equal to M. Type attrib space, assigned drive letter colon /EFI /Microsoft /boot /BCD space, -H space, -R space, -S. Type ren space, assigned drive letter colon /EFI /Microsoft /boot /BCD space, BCD32.old. // space, /rebuild BCD. BCD boot space, Windows installed drive letter colon /Windows space, /S space, assigned drive letter colon space, /F space, all. Exit and start Windows. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.